guys, new dealership. I'm actually in Baltimore. This is my first time out here. This looks like this is the dealership right over here. I had to bring my wife out here. So we're gonna go over here and see what they got on their lots, guys. I ain't never been out here before. It look kind of dry, man. I can't even get in there. All right, guys, so this joint looks like you can't even drive up in this dealership. They ain't got nothing on the lots. Damn. Nothing. This joint dead.
2 hours later.
Let me ask y'all a question. The reason why all the Mopar guys, all the VA heads are upset about Dodge going electric is because y'all won't have anything to brag about. You won't be able to show off in front of the girls. You won't be able to rev your engines and brag about having a Hellcat. You won't be able to talk about your supercharger. You basically lose a car that you can brag about. You won't be able to sit around and talk trash anymore. Is that the reason why everybody's so upset about Dodge going electric? And the reason why I'm asking you guys this is, I've been reading some comments on other videos and they're saying that all the Mopar heads, the reason why you guys won't accept electric vehicles is because you lose your bragging rights. Now, to be honest, there is some truth to that. I want y'all to leave your comments, man. Is that what it is? Is that the reason why y'all don't want electric vehicles? Me personally, it has nothing to do with that. I don't want an electric muscle car because I don't get to hear my engine. I don't get to connect with the car. I won't be able to mod it the way I want. And it's just not as cool to me. It has nothing to do with anybody else. But apparently, some people think that's why y'all are so upset, why we are so upset about Dodge going electric. And it seems like that's the most ridiculous thing I ever heard in my life. Me personally, people just don't want an iPhone car. That's why the people don't want an electric vehicle. What's fun about driving around in an electric muscle car? Everybody want to talk about the performance, or you can go 0 to 60 in 1 point, whatever the heck it is. That's not the reason. At least for me, anyway. I know you guys probably have your own reasons why you don't want an electric muscle car. I think people get it confused. Me personally, I'm not totally against electric cars. I would like to have an electric SUV. I told you guys I want a Cadillac Lyric. I think those are the best electric vehicles out right now. Me personally, but what I want to hear the exhaust of a car. If I want to feel some power from a V8 engine, I want to be in either my 300 or a Hellcat or a SCATPACK. But for some reason, people are taking us not wanting electric cars. It's because we don't have anything to brag about once we buy, once everything goes electric. That's just like completely not true. And I don't know where that craziness came from. But I want y'all to leave your comments, man. What is it then? Y'all leave some reasons why you don't want an electric muscle car. And there are some people who use their cars to feel bigger or use their cars to feel important. And me personally, I don't have nothing against that. That's your personal prerogative. That's up to you. If that's what it takes to make you feel a certain way, then it is what it is. It's not affecting me. That's just crazy to me. I mean, I don't know, guys. Leave your comments. Let me know what y'all think.